Hey guys, one crazy snake here. I did a cold start video, but apparently I had my GoPro set to like rapid or fast, I don't know what you call it, but it didn't do my video in regular mode. What I want to do for you guys today, I want to show you guys a 0 to 60, a few 0 to 60s in the car. The car's already been warmed up. My mode I have it in is sport on the steering, launch control off, traction exhaust, advanced, traction is on, and normal on the suspension. That's what I drive the car in every day, when I do drive it, I should say. So I'm going to do some 0 to 60 runs for you guys, show you how to do launch control in the car, show you what it does. I'm gonna do some spirited driving first so we can get to an area where I can do that. First, I'm gonna put the car in drive, then in manual mode, because I'm gonna put the window slightly down. I don't want you to pick up too much background noise, but hopefully this comes out all right. So the paddle shifter's on this thing. See if you can hear the pops. The paddle shifters on this thing are insanely quick. Absolutely amazing. I'm gonna head out to the country to find some roads. I've owned the car. I bought the car in December from New York. I received it first week of January because of shipping. Ooh, got a little squiggly. The tires were cold. They are cold. It's, what degree is it? 72 outside? That's actually a good day. Oh man, maybe we can get some, maybe we can get an M3 to want to race us, huh? Let's see. Looks nice. Looks like a young kid. Yeah, this wasn't what I was going for, but let's see if he wants to run them. Oh, he stayed back at the light. He didn't, maybe he doesn't want none. Oh, he's scared. Come on, dude. Really? He's all the way back there. Apparently he doesn't want none because I'm going 50 and a 50 and he's way back there. Anyways, I'll put my windows up. So yeah, that would have been some cool content. An M3, or maybe it was an M4. Didn't look like an M4, looked like an M3. 4-door. I was hoping he wanted some, but apparently he's just cruising his car around. So I'm gonna make a turn up here, get to some country roads, and we'll try some 0 to 60. Yeah, that would have been so cool, man. This guy just chickened out. Oh well, it happens. He didn't want any of the snake. Dang, that would have been awesome. Anyways, if you guys hear the downshifts, look at that, click, instant. I think he's seen the GoPro strapped to my head, so he was probably like, oh, this guy's ready. He didn't want to be on YouTube. I don't know how well she's gonna do 0 to 60. The streets are cold and the tires are cold. We'll still give it a run. Some things I love about the car, I'll tell you guys. This transmission. Previously I had a 2018 Whipple car. It was a stage 2 Whipple with the Palm Beach dyno tune. It put down, gosh, if I remember correctly, 720 rear wheel. So it was more powerful than this car, but did not drive nowhere near like this car did. So yeah, once I get to a safe place, we'll get on launch control and we'll go from there. See you guys then. All right guys, bear with me. This is my first time doing a 0 to 60 in the car. So let's see. I know I gotta be in track. Let's see. Track apps. I'm not gonna do line lock, but let's do line control or launch control. Launch control, okay. Press okay. Let's see. Accelerometer 0 to 60. I don't know how accurate this is. I probably should be in the middle of the road, so let's see if it's gonna reset me. Let's see if it's gonna reset me. Nobody on the road, perfectly safe road. Now I'm gonna roll into this. Guys. I'm not going to floor it just because the tires are cold. Let's see how this goes. A lot of shaking. A lot of shaking. That should do. 4.2. All right, not as bad as I thought for all the sliding. I know I've seen a ton of 3.5 videos, and we'll try to get a better time right now. We'll do a U-turn up here and go from there. It's actually not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I thought with cold tires I'd get in the mid 4s or upper 4s, so let's try this again. And this is not a prep track or anything, just a country road, guys, just a country road. All right, so let's try this again. I'm gonna roll into it and see how it works. Slide in. 4.13 that time. So a little better. Still a little wheel hop in the back, little slide. That's probably because it's only 72, 73 degrees outside and the tires are cold. I'm gonna try that one more time. It'd be cool if I can get below 4. I'm gonna really slow roll into it until it hits second gear. You know what? I'm gonna try to do, I wonder if I do a manual shift, is that gonna be better? I'm gonna manually shift it, see how that works. So I got the paddles on. Tires have not been warmed up. Absolutely nothing. I haven't done anything to it. So I'm gonna use the paddles, see if it's any better. Well, I guess that's not gonna work because I didn't hit okay to start. So we get one more. You could tell this is my first time, guys, doing this 0 to 60. It normally doesn't hop around like that as much. So it either has something to do with the cold streets, cold tires, or just the noob rookie trying to learn how to do the 0 to 60. You know what? I'm just gonna go up here. I don't need to go that far. Let's see how this works. A lot of tire burnout here. Apparently someone's been getting crazy. Let's see. Four, 3. Not as good as I would like. Still fun, guys. Absolutely fun. I want to do launch control for you guys. Let's see how this works. I just gotta figure out how to do it. I've never done it. So I'm gonna go out to these country roads, get these tires warmed up a little bit. go from there. All right, we'll be back with the launch control, guys. Hey guys. Oh, look at that. We're back. I got to sit and drag now. Such a noob at this, I had to watch a YouTube video of how to do launch control. So, yeah, just to tell you how much I know how to use it. I don't. First time using it. This is probably not the road to try it on. It is in the country, but it's a more busy country road. But there's nobody behind us. So let's see. It's set to 2,500. So foot all the way down. Yeah, definitely not. It's sliding everywhere. Yeah, that was not what I expected. The car started sliding everywhere at 2,500. So I'm going to change that. I'm going to change that launch control. I can go all the way up to 3,200, but 2,500 I figured was okay for these cold tires. Looks like we're going to have to go lower than that. So going to track apps, launch control, RPM. Oh, I gotta be stopped. Well, then let's stop real quick. Let's stop and set these. We'll go down to 2,000. Not gonna do it now. I'm gonna go back, but now that we're set, yeah, we're set at 2,000. All right. So I'm gonna get to another road, a quieter road with less cars, and put the windows down since it's a beautiful day. I just don't know if you hear background noise or not from the wind. That's why I had the windows up. Hopefully this works and it doesn't cut everybody out. You know what, I'm just gonna do it right here. Let this car pass. Oh man, the car screams. The car is completely stock. Only thing I did was add the JLT intake, and yeah, the car just goes, man. Going to Ford Performance's track day in Sonoma on, I believe it's September 19th. So I'm gonna have some really good track content for you. And I believe they let us do a drag setup and everything there. So I'll have some cool videos from that for you guys. But I gotta work on the 0 to 60 for you guys and this launch control for you guys. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment, guys, I'm a rookie. You could beat me up on this. It's fun. I'm fine with that. But comment, like, subscribe, share with your friends. I got some pretty cool content coming up. Got some really cool races coming up, and I got a track day set up. And then I'm also going to hit the drags probably in October once it cools down a little bit. See what this thing does on stock tires. I know there's some videos of 10.8s and 10.6. You know, realistically, anything under 11 on a stock tire, I think would be great. And I'm trying to get under 0 to 60 under 4 seconds, which also would be great. Again, thanks guys. Like, share, and subscribe with your friends, and we'll see you soon.